guys, and welcome to my channel. My name is Chriselle, and today we're gonna be doing this really pink makeup look. It's pink on pink on pink, guys. We have pink eyes, pink lips, and a pink blush, and pink freckles. I forgot pink freckles. So yeah, guys, if you want to know how to recreate these videos, just keep on watching, and let's dive right into the video. Whoop. Okay guys, so let's get started with today's video. I'm sorry today's video is gonna be a really noisy video because it's really windy outside and my windows make so much noise, guys, that it's impossible to film, but I'm still trying for you guys. So I already have the base of my face done and the eyebrows, and now we're gonna move on to eyeshadow. And for eyeshadow, we're using the Blood Sugar palette from Jeffree Star. And let's open this baby up. Okay, let's get started with the eyeshadows. Today's eyeshadows are gonna be really easy, guys, and really simple. It's like anyone can do it. So the first color we're gonna use is Tongue Pop, and it's this color right here. We're gonna use that color right there, and we're just gonna use my Luxie 229 brush, tapered blending brush, and it looks like this, and we're just gonna use this to use as our transition color. And as you can see, guys, that color already is really pigmented. It's really pretty. Okay guys, and the next color we're grabbing is this fuchsia color. It's called Cavity, and we're just gonna put that all over our lid. And I'm using my crown brush. It's a flat brush. Just gonna put that color, which I see it's really pigmented, and we're just gonna put it all over our lid. Oh my god, guys, can you guys see how pigmented that pink is? It's so pretty. Now we're gonna be using the blending brush we used right now just to soften the edges and to blend both colors in. Okay guys, and we're just gonna put some pink on our outer V as well, just so we can blend some pink on the lid as well. We're just gonna place it here and drag it, and then put the rest, what we have left in the brush, in our lid. Okay, and then grabbing the brush we used right now, we're gonna softly blend the edges again. Okay guys, and this is the eyeshadow look done. I told you guys it was really easy and it only took 2 colors. So now I'm gonna be moving on to eyeliner. And for eyeliner today, we're gonna be doing the smallest wing ever, and we're gonna be using our Clean Color Pixie jar in the color black, obviously. And we're just gonna use this to do the smallest wing ever. Okay guys, and that's the eyeliner done. As you can see, it's barely noticeable, and that's what we were going for. It's so small you can barely see it, but that's how we wanted it. So yeah, so I'm gonna go put some mascara and some eyelashes on, and I'll be right back. Okay guys, and this is the eyes done. Now we're gonna move on to the rest of our face. And for contour today, we're gonna be using our highlight and contour palette by iBuy Beauty, or eBuy, or iBuy, I don't know. But today we're gonna really use cool tones, just because I feel like since we're gonna be looking really pink, we just want, like, we don't wanna bronze, you know, we don't want that orange look. So we're gonna be using really cool tones. So for contour today, we're gonna be using the contour 1 and contour 3. We're basically gonna tap into both, but mainly using contour 1. And today we're gonna be using our Coastal Scents brush. It's this tapered brush, and we're just gonna use this. Really tap into contour 1, and then tap in the excess. We're gonna softly put it in our cheeks, not to so it won't look harsh or muddy. Then we're gonna put it on our temples and our jawline. And then with a smaller brush, I'm using my Luxie 237 blending brush. We're gonna use contour 1 just to contour, just to make our nose look smaller. Okay, so that didn't really make a difference, so yeah. So now we're gonna move on to blush, and for blush today we're gonna be using my Real Hair Be Fearless Be Limitless blush kit, and we're just gonna use the color Fearless, this really pink color, and we're gonna be putting that with my e.l.f. angled blush brush. We're just gonna use this. Let me clean it up. And we're just gonna tap this color. We're gonna tap into this color, and we don't want to bring the color so much to the middle, because that's where we're gonna be putting our freckles. So I just want to focus the pink on the outside. We're just gonna put it all the way here. And then we're gonna put some on our temples as well. We're gonna bring it all the way to our temples. We want to look really pink today. And I don't know if you guys can see it, but it has like some gold specks, glitter specks. Looks so freaking pretty, damn. I'm gonna put some on the bottom of my nose as well, just so we can look cute. Oh my god, we've been looking really cute. I like this makeup look so far. Okay, and for highlight today, we're gonna be using our Anastasia Beverly Hills Aurora palette, and we're gonna be using the color Lyra, which is this like gold orange shade. We're just gonna use that and put it on the top of our cheekbones. And I'm using my Crumb brush. It's this really small tapered brush. We're just gonna tap into that color. Oh my god. And put it on the high points of our cheeks. And I don't know if you guys know, and I don't know if you guys can see, but it has like a pink hue. This highlight has a pink hue, so that's why I wanted to use this color. And then with a smaller brush, today I'm gonna be using my Wet n Wild. We're just gonna grab some of the color, put it on the top of our nose. And then we're gonna put that color as well in our inner corners. And then putting some on our brow bone as well. Okay guys, so we're done with the face. Now we're gonna move on to doing the freckles. And for the freckles today, we're gonna be using our mini liquid lipsticks from Jeffree Star. These 4. We're gonna be using these 4 colors. They're in the color Prom Night, Watermelon Soda, Doll Parts, and Calabasas. We're gonna be using these 4 colors just to do the freckles. Okay, and for the freckles today, we're gonna be going from lightest to darkest liquid lipstick, and we're gonna be using just like a small brush. Okay, so the first color we're grabbing is the color Doll Parts. We're just gonna put some of this. We're using the tiniest amount, so we're just gonna put a little. And then like softly tapping into that, because we don't want that much, you know. And we're gonna put these, we're just gonna do like random dots all over our cheeks. You can barely see them, guys. I don't know if I should zoom you guys in so you guys can see them better. Yeah, I'm gonna zoom you guys in. Just so I zoom you guys in so you guys can see the freckles more. So I'm just gonna grab a little more. I'm just gonna do random spots. And as you can see, I'm lightly tapping because I don't want them to look not that natural. Well, they're not gonna be natural anyway, so. Okay, so now we're gonna be grabbing the color Calabasas, and we're just gonna put that on our hand as well. We're gonna be using the smallest amount. Now we're gonna put that color on our cheeks. Okay, so now grabbing the color Watermelon. Grabbing the smallest amount as well. This is like a bright pink. We're just gonna put that in random places as well. I don't know if you guys can see, but that's really pretty. Okay, and the last color we're gonna grab is Prom Night. And with this color, actually, we're gonna do bigger dots just so they can look like freckles, you know. Okay guys, so that's the freckles done, and now we're gonna move on to lips. And for lips today, we're gonna be using the color Prom Night and putting that all over our lips. Hopefully it's not that bright. Oh, it's bright, but it's pretty. Okay guys, and that's the whole face completed. The last thing we're gonna do is setting spray. And today we're gonna be using our Joby Matte Finish Makeup Setting Spray. We're just gonna spritz that all over our face, just to set everything in place. Okay guys, and this is the final makeup look. I hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to give me a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and until next time, bye! Love you! So yeah guys, if you enjoyed, don't forget to give me bitch. Uy, estos perros que nunca se callan. Ya cállense. ¡Eh! ¡Cállate! ¡Eh! ¡Eh!